Hey everyone, it is time for another Tara's Must-Have. What's a Tara's Must-Have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And these are a decorator's dream, whether you're using them for your candles, whether you're using them for your table. I'm gonna show you so many different ways, but let's get to it. Look at how absolutely stunning these rings are. And what's beautiful about them is you have not only those layered pine cones on the inside, but you have that beautiful frosted tipped Fraser fur detail that you see that runs around. And then we embellish that glistening sheen with these beautiful beads. This one happens to be, of course, our silver and bronze, which is so beautiful. Sorry, our gold and bronze, which is so beautiful. You have the silver accenting that you see there on the pine cones. You're going to receive a set of 4. Look at how beautiful all 4 of these are. But here's the best part. When you buy a set for $19.95 over at temp-tations.com, you get a set for free. So you're actually going to receive with your single purchase 8 of our candle rings. Love that. All right, take a peek over here. Here's the other option. Here is your red and white, again, with that beautiful tipping, that gorgeous iridescent sparkle and shine, the beauty of your red and your white balls that you see beads there. And then of course, on top of the pine cones, I just love all of that gorgeous detail. Even the back, notice how that's twisted and braided together so everything will stay put. So again, these are so beautiful, so well made. They're available at temp-tations.com. Again, buy one set of 4 for $19.95, get a set for free. And look at some of the things that we did here. We just layered these in with our flowers and flames. If you picked up our beautiful candle, our fiber optic candle, we actually just put that right on the top and then nestled that ring right around it. Look how that just takes an ordinary pillar with a taper to extraordinary because you've layered in on top these beautiful pieces, okay? So there's just one of the ideas. How about using these as napkin rings? I love the idea because they are nice and oversized. You can truly lay this down at everybody's place setting, depending on which napkin you have, depending on what your motif is. I recommend picking up sets of both because then you'd have 8 different looks that you wanted for 8 people. Love that. And then how about using them also, I'm gonna walk them back, as kind of decor in your kitchen on maybe some of your knobs. Let me move this out of the way so you can see that clearly. Look how beautiful, just by putting these on the knobs of your cabinets, you now have that gorgeous decorator look on something that you spent $19.95 that you received 8 for. So I love that idea as well. You can even put these on your Christmas tree as little embellishments also. And then the other idea I had was how about adding it to a little package? Here I have a beautiful package, nicely wrapped with a bow, but just by untying this and looping it in, wait till you see how stunning this is. Tie the bow back around, and now you have a gorgeous, what you would expect to go into a very fancy high-end department store and get a package that looks just like that. So candles, napkin holders, package embellishments, and where's my ribbon? You're going to love this idea. This was like my fave. How about actually tying these on the backs of your chairs? Love that idea. How about, because you're going to receive 4, you could do multiple ribbons and hang them in 3s or 4s if you wanted to, and you could use that for decor. So this is like decor and more. They're so beautiful. If you've loved some of our other lit pieces, if you've loved kind of that beautiful iridescent finish, you're gonna pick between 2. You have your gold and your bronze, all have the same applique, or you have your red and your white. Absolutely stunning. Remember, $19.95 gets you home 8 because you buy one set and you get a set free. You guys, these are spectacular, which is why we made them a Tara's must-have. Head on over to temp-tations.com and check them out. These are stunning.